Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the product. The product shown is bicyclopentyl, specifically a cyclohexane ring connected to a cyclobutane ring, cyclohexylbutane. This is a fully saturated compound with 2 rings, so its degree of unsaturation, dB, is equal to 2. Moving on to the next step. Determine the molecular formula of the product. Cyclohexylbutane has the formula C10H18. dB of product is equal to 2 times 10 plus 2 to 18, 2 is equal to 22 to 18, 2 is equal to 4 divided by 2 equals 2. This confirms 2 rings, 0 double bonds in the product. Moving on to the next step. Determine compound A. Since 1 mole of H2 is added to A to give the product, compound A has 1 more degree of unsaturation than the product, 1 double bond was hydrogenated. The product has dB is equal to 2, so A has dB is equal to 2 plus 1 equals 3. And for the final step, verify. A contains 2 rings, contributing dB is equal to 2, and 1 carbon-carbon double bond, contributing dB is equal to 1, giving total dB is equal to 3. Upon hydrogenation with 1 mole H2PT, the double bond is reduced, leaving only the 2 ring systems in the product. A1 would mean A has only 1 ring or 1 double bond, inconsistent with the bicyclic saturated product. B2 would mean A has the same dB as the product, implying no double bond was reduced, contradicting the use of H2. D4 would require 2 double bonds or an extra ring, but only 1 mole H2 is consumed. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.